Hello guys, this is approximation and estimation part 2, fraction, the first topic, fraction. Now we want to solve example under fractions now. Okay, I've shared some, but also let's see how we can explain further what BODMAS is all about. So now here, like I said, the word you need to remember under fractions is what? BODMAS. BODMAS. Okay, so we have solution here. So like I said, this is what? Brackets. So what do we mean by brackets? You see, there's brackets in this question. Deal with what? Bracket first. Okay, in a very standard exam, either entrance exam or JAMB standard, if you miss out this bracket, you will see your answer in the question, in the option. Okay, so you deal with this bracket first. So what do we need to do? Like I said, change this one to proper fraction and find the minus. Okay, don't look at the minus that's inside. What you just need to do is that anything on inside this bracket, you attend to it first. So this implies that, okay, let me write the question. 2 on number 5 over 6 minus 3 on number 1 over 2, okay, divided by 1 on number 2 over 3 of 5 on number 2 over what? 3. Okay, so take care of the bracket first. Anything inside the bracket, complete it. 6 times 2, 12. Okay, 12 plus 5, that's what? 17 over what? 6 minus 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7 over what? 2. It's still within the bracket. Okay, so if it's an objective question, you can decide to jump the step. Okay, if it's an objective question, you can decide to jump the step. But to be sure that, okay, yes, you're not jumping step or you're not making any mistake, you can decide to, because sometimes in mathematics, it's not how far, but what? How well. Okay, so it's not how far, but how well. So now, at the end I'm still working on this mathematics, on the brackets rather. So now, what is the LCM here? We'll still get to that. So what is the LCM? The highest number is here is what? 6. So I'm working on the bracket. What is the LCM? The LCM is what? 6. So 6 in 6, 1. What do we mean by 6 in 6? It means 6 divided by 6. That is 1. 1 times 17 is what? 17. Okay. So for the next division, which is the one for 2, please don't miss it out. If I said 6 divided by 2, that is this 6 divided by 2, that is what? 3. So 3 times 7 is what? 21. Okay. Divided by 1 whole number 2 over 3 of 5 whole number 2 over 3. Okay, so that is that. So don't forget, like I said, the bracket, anything inside the bracket, you attend to it first. And that is what we are doing. We convert improper fraction to proper fraction by 6 times 2, the whole number times the denominator. 6 times 2, 12, plus 5, 17. The same thing here, 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7 over 2. Because the bracket is still there, I need to do anything inside the bracket first. That is the rule. BODMAS, brackets off. Take bracket off first. So now, what's the LCM here? 6. The highest number is 6. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 times 17 is this. 6 divided by 2. Okay, 6 divided by 2, that is what? 3. 7 times 3 is what? 21. So now, I'm done with the brackets. Okay, take it one step at a time. If not, you miss the answer or you miss the question. I'm done with the bracket. Go to BODMAS again. What is the next one? The next one is what? O. So the O means there what? Off. Can you see off in the question? Yes. Off is in the question. So what do you need to do? The next thing you need to do is to remove the what? Off. Remove the off. That is the next thing. So when you remove the off, deal with the off. first. Okay, so it means at the end of the day, this one will now be, we can say 17 minus what? That's minus 21. Minus 21, that will give you negative because I have 17 naira and I'm owing 21 naira. So I'll still be in debit of what? Of 4 naira. So that will be minus 4 over what? 6 divided by, I can convert it to proper fraction. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2. That's 5 over 3. Then off is what? Times. 5 times 3, 15. Okay? 15 plus 2. That's what? 17 over what? 3. Okay? So 5 times 3, 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 2. That will give us what? 17 over what? 3. So, but don't forget that I need to take care of the off first. This off is what? Is times. Okay? So this off is what? Is times. So at the end of the day, it means that since I've removed the off of times, so what is the next thing I need to do is what? Division. Okay? So the next thing I need to do is what? Division. So don't forget BODMAS. BODMAS. So that is the word, BODMAS. So at the end of the day, it means that I will now have, that's minus 4 over 6, okay? Minus 4 over 6, that's division. Like I told you, if I want to remove division, I told you anything on the right hand side is the owner of the sign, okay? This division here, the owner of this division is what? 5 over what? Over 3, okay? The owner of this division here is what? 5 over 3. So it means that at the end of the day, this one will now be what? Times what? 3 over what? 5 times 17 over what? 3. Okay? So don't forget, I've told you if you want to change division to multiplication, numerator, denominator will become numerator, numerator will become denominator. I've mentioned this under the part of sort severally. Okay? And I'm mentioning it again. That is, if I want to remove division here, numerator will go up, denominator will what? Will come down. So the denominator here is 3. The numerator here is 5. So it will now be 3 over 5. So you can see that you simplify this um, to the lowest number. All we just have here is just what? Multiplication. So all we just have here is just multiplication. So it means that at the end of the day, we'll be getting our answer out. So at the end of the day, we'll be getting our answer out. Or we can do it in this way. All we just need to do is just to say, okay, now if this is what? Off, I can say, let's say off. Let's say we still have division here. We have division here. Okay. We can say 3 times 3. You have what? 9. So 3 times 3, you have what? 9. Because it's off first. We need to deal with off. 3 times 3 is, we have 9. Then 17 times 5. 7 times 5 is what? 35. Carry 3. 5 times 1, that's what? 85. So 7 times 5 is what? 35. Carry 3. So you have what? 85 over 9. So at the end of the day, you can now apply your division. Since it's only division, I've told you just to avoid confusion. Okay, anything on the right hand side is the owner of the sign. The owner of this sign is what? 85 over 9. So it will now be minus 4 over 6 times 9 over what? 85. So this is more clearer. Okay, if I want to remove division to change it to times, denominator will go up, numerator will come down. That is, this will come up and this will what? Come down. So that is for this. Okay, so that is the meaning. So it means that all these ones, the numerator is what? 85. Denominator is what? 9. So it becomes 9 over what? 85. So at the end of the day, I can find exactly what can go. So 3 can go here, 2. 3 can go here, 3. Okay, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. So the question you need to ask yourself, can any other thing go again? Yeah. 2 can go here, 1. 2 can go here, what? 2. Do you see it? So at the end of the day, therefore, this will now be 2 times 3. That's minus 6 over what? 85. So you have what? Minus 6 over 85. So that is the answer. So it means that just need to go, you need to pay attention to what you're doing. BODMAS is very simple. It's very simple. All you just need to do, take care of brackets. You're taking care of brackets, okay? So the next one you just need to do, you just take care of your what? Your off sign, which is off. O for off. So when you change it to multiplication, what do? Multiply the numerator with numerator and what? Denominator with what? With denominator to take care of off. Okay. Then after you do that, you'll be left with division. Then you move to division, apply division. Numerator will turn to denominator and denominator will turn to numerator. Please continue to follow us on our social media, okay, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share our content, okay. If you are learning from it, please share so that we can reach a lot of young minds. Thank you very much.